Hello viewers, I'm Vasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Globbal TV. A UK school has faced criticism after a video emerged showing a group of Muslim students being forced to pray outside in the winter cold. Oldham Academy North near Manchester was slammed by the local community following the release of footage. It has been claimed that a teacher demanded the students leave the school building in order to conduct their Friday prayers. In the video, 8 male students can be seen praying in the street outside. Social media users described the footage as disgusting. One student reportedly involved said, "We were praying inside and the teacher came in and told us we weren't allowed to pray in the room." She slammed the door and seemed angry. We have had a prayer room for a long time and teacher would allow us to go there for our prayers. While the school claimed that the students were unable to pray inside because of flooding and damage to several classrooms, but has launched an investigation into the incident. A spokesperson said in a statement, "Earlier this week, photos on social media began to circulate of students at the Oldham Academy North praying outside. We would like to offer a sincere apology. We are proud of our diversity and we have never and would never stop students from praying or ask them to pray outside. At Oldham Academy North, we consider our diversity and greater strength. We will always do everything in our power to ensure our students, staff and our communities are given the very best opportunity in life." Aruj Shah, the local council leader, said, "When we were made aware of the issue raised at the Oldham Academy North, we acted quickly to speak with the school to understand what had happened. Having spoken with the school leaders, I am glad they have apologized to those who were affected and will be writing to the parents. Take care. Till next. Bye-bye."